Today, we are gonna fix Pokemon Go party not showing up problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solution. The video consists of 3 simple steps. The first step is to update Pokemon Go. The reason we may be experiencing issues is an outdated Pokemon Go version. To do this, we open the Play Store and enter the Pokemon Go in the search bar. After doing this, if we need to update Pokemon Go, we update it. We have updated Pokemon Go. Now we can continue with the second step. The second step is to delete Pokemon Go's cache files. Accumulated cache files can cause problems. To do this, we open Settings. We scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, we select Manage Apps. Then, in the search bar, we type Pokemon Go. Next, we click on Storage and tap on Clear Data. We click on Clear Cache and then OK. We have cleared Pokemon Go's cache files. The third and final step is to enable the Party Play feature. In Pokemon Go, the Party feature is disabled for child accounts, and it needs to be enabled through a parent account. Since I don't have a child account, I can only tell you the steps you need to do. What you need to do is open your browser and go to Pokemon's website. You should log in the parent account. After logging in, select Child Account from the menu. Then click on Pokemon Go Settings and go to Permissions for your child. There, you need to tick Party Play. Save the changes and restart Pokemon Go. Once you reopen Pokemon Go, you should see the party option. Many people have solved the problem this way. I hope your problem has been solved as well. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.